Hi everyone, it's Diane, and this is my little world called the Creative Bohemian. Um, I just wanted to come onto screen and thank every one of you who subscribed to my channel, bringing us up to 1,000 subscriptions. And I think that's just fabulous. And I want to thank every one of you personally by coming on screen so that you could put a face to the voice. And if you haven't subscribed and this is your first time here, please do. We would love to have you. And if you want to, please leave a comment, say hello, introduce yourself so that we could build a bigger community than just you watching me and my hands create things. I'd love to turn this into a give and take channel where we talk to each other. You guys talk to each other, you talk to me, and we all come up with ideas and we share them, share everything together, and we learn together. So that's my dream for this channel, is to build it until it's a community. So again, thank you very much if you've already subscribed. If you're going to subscribe, thank you too. But even if you're not, you're as much welcome as anybody else. And just enjoy the videos. And if you have any ideas or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to see how you feel. And I'll see you in the next video.